Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of a LeetCode, which is LeetCode 3099 Harshad number. So here is given a integer x. Basically first I will explain the what is the Harshad number. Harshad number is 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 if the sum of digit means 18 and the sum is 1 plus 8 is equals to 9. So if 18 is divisible by 9, so it is an Harshad number, and if it is not, then you just have to return the minus 1, means it is not. Okay, so let's do this. First I will find int sum is equals to 0. First the sum is 0, and then int temp equals to x. Okay, I will store the duplicate value, and then I will do while x is greater than 0, then sum plus equals to x modulo 10 and x bar equals to 10. Okay, and then I will return if temp modulo sum is equals to 0, then I will do sum minus 1. Okay, so let's run this code. If it is follow the condition, the sum will return, and if it is not, then it will return the minus 1. So let's submit this. And this code works fine. Thanks for watching.